careful moving on without getting splashed again, Val, because it's kind of splashy. Oh, it just splashed me again. Hey, a fig tree, guys, a fig tree. So hopefully soon it'll have some figs on it that you could pick off and maybe have a little munch on a few figs. Look, we've got grapes, Val, real grapes, guys, real grapes. Real grapes. Look at all the wild, man. Look at all the random plants, Bob. Seeing this here, we got another carp. We got another carp on there, guys. There's a big carp there. Look, little goldfish, little pondfish. We got the little footbridge again, Bob. Get us across the pond here, Bob. Here we go, a little water feature. Right, where's the bit? This is the bit, guys. This is the bit I was going to show you. Quick, shout out to Guy there that's watering the flowers as he does. As always, cockatiels, budgies, and your little fish pond underneath. It's pretty cool. Hello, mate. Hello. And then, this bench here, another memorial bench, guys, from 2004. It was a dad and a granddad, which was Steve and Miss. Gary McLaughlin, shout out to Gary McLaughlin, lived his best life. Cheers, guys. Just see we go, because we have several different breeds of fish. The food has to be made especially for them, and the water in the pond has to be kept a certain chemical balance to have happy, healthy fish. Please do not feed, especially bread, or throw coins into the pond, which can cause poison to the water. Which is cool, man. And the birds may bite, by the way, which is understandable, you know, especially if they feel threatened. See this here? This is a good one. So you've got the goldfish, you've got little fish in there, you know, it's really cool. Here we go, guys. And it goes on and on, just goes on to zones, it's in zones. Glasshouse 2, which was the jungle zone, and Avery and the fish pond, which was your birds, fish, and jungle. Down the bottom here, we've got a empty greenhouse. You can get a slight little look, guys. Sort of. The windows have to be blurred out a little bit so you don't see fully in. We've got a lot of Miracle Grow compost. Something called clover compost, which you might have to try myself. Esther and George commanded another memory bench. A lot of memory benches around here, guys. And here we are with the second zone, which we are entering Glasshouse 1. And again, as usual, sprinkling you. Yeah, just a bit of water, mate. It'll cool you down, don't worry. There's nothing in there at the moment. Nothing in there at the moment, unless you get some more fish. We've got the water feature though, that's cool. You've got the little mushrooms. You've got the little houses. Oh, it's like a little village, and it's like with a cave at the top there, guys. See that? I get a smell of cress. I'm getting a smell of cress, you know. Is that what that is there growing around the edges there? Look, guys. Look like cress, don't it? But I'm getting a smell of like herbals in here. Look, you got your wild pond fern. You've got your random herb stuff there. I don't know what that'll be. But yeah, then. And we've got some ivy randomly potted there, which I don't know whether that's from. Yeah. Onto what was that one? We were in Glasshouse 1 there. Right, onto this bit now. See what's happening. This here, we can get a little sneak peek, guys. Get a little sneak peek. There they're just some of the stuff they're working on, though, like the cacti and the stuff in there. We've got this nice little water feature, which I'm quite liking. You know, it's got some more little koi or fish. Some sort, and let's give a little zoom in on this guy. There you go. As you do. But yeah, this bit is telling you how they did it all, but the climate has changed. It's just information on like cycle more, you know, eat healthy and respect nature. And these are just your average big farm. We've got this here, shout out to Blossom Health Through Activity. Shout out to these guys. Blossom Health Through Activity. Yeah, so obviously we've got another space here which they're working on some plants. I'm presuming that this is some sort of plant-based education, you know, where they teach people how to grow their own stuff. Obviously free event, guys. If you've not already seen it, there's a free event which is for the under fives. And it's obviously free, so there's literally sport activities in the park, and then there's information. That one there, on gardens, which they have been on gardens because of these and the fire. To get going for free, to see social media information, monthly fees, admission fees, so on and so on. We've got another memorial plaque up there as well. Happy, smiley, thoughtful, funny and kind. Alan Davis, shout out for Alan Davis for living his best life. Beautiful memories that are left behind. Love and respected by everyone he has met. Despite his friends at DLP Services. Shout out to DLP Services. And shout out to Alan Davis, who sadly passed. Yeah, so here we go. Shout out to Chris Walker as well for doing the summer bedding, winter bedding, perennials, shrubs, spring and autumn bulbs, fruit trees, summer and winter baskets, veg and herbs in spring, pots and containers, gift vouchers for all occasions and all of your garden needs. Thank you so much for that, guys. And obviously there's their contact details for if you need to contact them. And yeah, there's a free plug for you guys. And obviously again, shout out to Manchester City Council and Blossom Through Health and Activity, Health Through Activity, sorry. And obviously no longer allowed. Be kind, we are here to help you. And they don't accept abuse or harassment. And please be aware that some plants, berries or leaves can be harmful. Oh, we've got some cool strawberry plants. Strawberry plants, strawberry. Some sort of herbal things. I don't know what they do. But go check out the edit before it shuts fully because it closes at 4 and obviously I don't want to get locked in. Yeah, don't want to get locked in, man. This is the best bit now. This is the best bit, guys. This is where the good bench is. You can just sit down, enjoy the views, enjoy the sunshine, as you do. And here we go. Here is Blossom Health Through Activity. Shout out to these guys. Practical ways to grow your own food, realistic ideas to reduce your carbon footprint, easy ways to cook from scratch, activity to improve health and feel better, volunteer opportunities in and around Wimbledon Park, Horticultural Centre. Blossom values people, the planet and welcomes you to get involved. And if you didn't see before, they're based at email info@blossom-manchester.co.uk, Twitter @BlossomNCR. So there you go. And yes, they're a registered charity. So that's good. We don't want any fake charities now, like, you know, the other guys I've seen online and in the streets, you know what I mean? Yeah, let's keep going, guys. Got a little thingy. Oh, actually, I want to cut across here, guys. Because this is the garden where they grow, you know, like fruits and veg. And it's quite chill. There's a squirrel, guys. Squirrel, guys. Squirrel, 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 squirrel. Check these tables. These tables actually have a built-in chess game. Like, you could actually play chess on these tables, which is cool. Which is pretty cool. And then we've got over here we have Manchester Buzz. All local honey on sale. All aspects of beekeeping, come and see us. So yeah, this is where they do the breeding of the bees. A lot of beehives, bee suits beyond this point. See all the bees at the back there, look. See that? They've got actual beehives at the back there. We'll see if we can get a closer look. Come on guys, let's see if we can get a quick look. Let's have a little look. A little look. Come on, see if we can get a closer look now. As you can see over there at the back, we got all the fruit trees. It's a big garden, mate. It's got everything. Fruit trees.